Stop! Before you spend your money on a drone, let me ask you one simple question. What if one compact drone could give you cinematic shots, professional video quality, and smart flying features without carrying a huge backpack full of expensive gear? Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly why the DJI Mini 3 Pro became one of the most popular drones ever made. Welcome back to DroneDominator.today. We're putting the DJI Mini 3 Pro to the test to find out if it's still worth buying in today's market, or if you should upgrade to something newer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this little drone does right, and where it still surprises everyone. So let's take off. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly small and lightweight this drone is. It weighs less than 249 grams, which means you can fold it up, slip it into your backpack, and take it almost anywhere. Whether you're hiking through the mountains, walking along the beach, or exploring a new city, the Mini 3 Pro is always ready to capture the moment. But don't let the size fool you. The moment this drone lifts off, you'll realize it's built to perform. It feels stable, smooth, and incredibly responsive. Even if you're flying for the first time, the controls are easy to understand, and the drone gives you the confidence to focus on getting amazing shots instead of worrying about every movement. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Mini 3 Pro really earns its reputation. It features a powerful camera that records stunning 4K HDR video with rich colors, excellent detail, and impressive dynamic range. From bright sunny afternoons to colorful sunsets, the footage looks clean, sharp, and cinematic with very little editing. One of my favorite features is the ability to shoot true vertical video. If you create content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you don't have to crop your footage anymore. You can record in a vertical format right from the camera, which saves time and keeps your videos looking professional. Another feature that makes this drone stand out is Active Track. It follows your subject smoothly while avoiding obstacles, making it easy to capture cinematic tracking shots whether you're riding a bike, running on a trail, or filming a friend. It's like having your own personal camera crew flying beside you. Battery life is another huge advantage. With up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single battery, you'll have plenty of time to explore, try different camera angles, and capture the perfect shot. If you choose the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can stay in the air even longer for extended filming sessions. But here's what really impressed me. The DJI Mini 3 Pro doesn't try to be the biggest or the fastest drone. Instead, it focuses on giving creators exactly what they need: amazing image quality, smart flying features, and a simple experience that makes capturing incredible footage feel effortless. That's why even today, it remains one of the best compact drones you can buy. The DJI Mini 3 Pro starts at around $759 USD with the DJI RC controller, although prices may vary depending on sales, bundles, and your region. If you're looking for a drone that delivers professional quality results without carrying bulky equipment, this is still an outstanding choice. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest drone and camera reviews. Also, drop a comment below and tell me which drone or camera you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.